Christmas is time for joy, time for family, and time to decorate. This year, try something different. Make a Christmas cow cave. It's fun, it's cozy, and it's full of love. Let's get started. You don't need a real cave, don't worry. Any corner can become your cozy cave. It's all about warmth and happiness. Let your inner child run wild. Cows are cute. Let's put them everywhere. Make paper cow faces, stick them on the walls. You can even add glitter. Paint mason jars like cows. Put candles inside. Soft light makes everything magical. Remember safety first. Always keep candles away from anything that can burn. Christmas is all about twinkling lights. Hang fairy lights everywhere. Around the ceiling, around the furniture, even on the floor. Remember, rustic charm is key. Use burlap and twine. Tie them around your decorations. It adds a farmhouse feel, perfect for our cow cave. Look at your cow cave. It's so festive. It's so you. You made this magical space. Feel proud. Invite your loved ones. Share the joy. Christmas cow cave is about happiness. It's about making memories. Happy holidays.